Are you tired of clicking through the Google admin console hundreds of times just to update or create multiple entries? Meet SheetOps, the Google Sheets add-on that lets you manage your workspace directory at spreadsheet speed. To bulk delete Google Workspace users, open your Google Sheet and go to Extensions, SheetOps, Users. If you want to find and delete users from a specific organizational unit or those reporting to a particular manager, select Fetch with Filters. However, if you already have the exact list of user emails, choose just the sheet to generate a clean template. Before deleting these accounts, let's cross-check their existence in the Google admin console. Here, we will be deleting the first 10 users. Next, paste the email addresses into the email column. In the status column, change the value to deleted. You can use the drag to fill handle to copy this status across all rows quickly. To delete these users, we need to check the boxes in the Apply Changes column. You can click and drag across the checkboxes or select the first checkbox, hold Shift and click the last one. Then press spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once. In the confirmation dialog box, select No, since we are updating existing accounts rather than creating new ones. SheetOps will process the deletions one by one, and the real-time status will update in the changelog column. Now, let's switch back to the Google admin console and refresh the page to verify. As you can see, all 10 users have been successfully deleted. Google Workspace keeps deleted users restorable for 20 days. If you want to locate deleted users on your domain, select Fetch with Filters and check Show Deleted Users. To reactivate any of them, simply change their status back to active and apply changes. SheetOps directly connects with official directory APIs from your Google Sheet for data fetching and update. Hence, none of your data leaves your Google account. SheetOps will connect with its backend server only to verify your license status. Install SheetOps now from Google Workspace Marketplace. Link in the description below.